IELTS Writing, Mastering Grammatical Range and Accuracy. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the key scoring criteria for the IELTS Writing section, grammatical range and accuracy. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to boost your scores by showcasing a variety of grammatical structures and maintaining accuracy in your writing. Let's get started. IELTS examiners assess your writing based on several criteria, and grammatical range and accuracy is one of them. But why is it so crucial? 1. It shows your ability to use a variety of sentence structures, not just sticking to simple sentences. 2. It's a testament to your ability to write error-free. Minor mistakes are okay, but frequent or serious errors can hurt your score. Grammatical range refers to the variety of sentence structures you use in your writing. Simple sentences. These have one main clause. E.g., I love reading. Compound sentences. These combine two independent clauses. E.g., I love reading, and I visit the library often. Complex sentences. These have a main clause and one or more dependent clauses. E.g., because I love reading, I visit the library often. Compound complex sentences. These are a combination of compound and complex sentences. E.g., I love reading, and when I have free time, I visit the library. To achieve a high score, it's important to use a mix of these structures appropriately. Ensuring grammatical accuracy is just as crucial. Here are some tips. 1. Proofread. Always spare a few minutes to review your writing. 2. Practice. Regular writing and feedback can help you recognize and correct your common mistakes. 3. Stay aware of common errors. This might include subject-verb agreement, tense inconsistencies, or article usage. To truly master grammatical range and accuracy, practice is the key. Try these. 1. Sentence structure challenge. Write one paragraph using only complex sentences, another with only compound sentences, and so on. This will help you get comfortable with all types of structures. 2. Error spotting. Take a piece of your old writing and try to spot and correct any grammatical errors. You'll start noticing patterns and areas you need to work on. Mastering grammatical range and accuracy can significantly boost your IELTS writing score. Remember, it's all about showcasing variety in your structures and ensuring your writing is as error-free as possible. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Until next time, happy writing and best of luck with your IELTS preparation.